Chapter 9, A Shooting Test, Part 2. Okay. Activity 3, answer the following questions. Now these are the very simple questions. The chapter in itself is very simple. So the first question goes, why does Bhim want to go away? So Bhim wants to go away because he was very hungry. Next question, why does Guru Drona ask the prince to fetch what does Guru Drona ask the prince to fetch? Why? Guru Drona asks the prince to fetch their bow and arrow because he wants to test their shooting skills. What does Duryodhana see at the time of shooting? Duryodhana sees the tree, the branch, the bird, the sky and many other things at the time of shooting. Fourth, who is asked to take aim after Duryodhana? Sahadev is asked to take an aim after Duryodhana. Okay. What is Dushasan proud of? He is allowed to shoot. So there are two questions in question 5. What is Dushasan proud of and is he allowed to shoot? Dushasan is proud of his good eyesight and no, he is not allowed to shoot. Next, what makes Guru Drona sad? The answer of the prince makes Guru Drona sad. 7th, who is the last one to take the test? What does he see? Arjun is the last one to take the test. He sees only the right eye of the bird. Question 8. What does Guru Drona say about the test? Guru Drona says that it was not just a shooting test but a test to test the power of the prince, the power of the various prince and their level of concentration, how much they can concentrate. Who succeeded in the test? Why? Arjun succeeded in the test because he concentrated only on the target and he was able to focus only on the target and nothing other than the target. Activity 4, study the following antonyms. Antonyms, we are here, so we will study them. Visible becomes invisible, ordinary becomes extraordinary, satisfaction becomes dissatisfaction, sense becomes nonsense. Okay, so let's move ahead. What this activity wants to say, we will understand it in the further detailing of it. Note that the antonyms are formed by adding the prefix in dis, extra and non. Now read the following words and form their antonyms by adding appropriate prefixes. So for this I will be sending you the PDF. I will give the examples of the first 3 one. There above they have given the prefixes in, dis, extra and non, and adding to those prefixes they want us to form an antonyms in the box which are given below. So agree becomes disagree, active becomes inactive, vegetarians become non-vegetarian and so on. But the PDF for the same will be sent to you. You can write it with the pencil in your textbook. Activity 5, the quiz champion Ashwini is answering some question. Her answers are given below. Frame questions for the quiz master by choosing the appropriate question word given in the box. So over here there is a girl named called Ashwini who is answering some questions and her answers are given below in the frame questions for the quiz master. So they want us to frame a question for the quiz master by choosing an appropriate word that has been given already in the box. And for this quiz master we have to frame the question to which Ashwini is already answering. So let's choose a correct word for the question from the box given below. They have given an example, what is the sun? So Ashwini is responding a star. Next comes, from where did Gandhiji started the Dandi march? So in the box from where we have written it in the blank. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Moving ahead, who was the first Indian to go into the space? So answer is Rakesh Sharma. Ashwini is given. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? 1000. How many? Again we are using this the same word. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? When did India win first World Cup in the cricket? How often are the Olympic Games held? Okay, so same PDF will be sent to you. Now the next activity, activity 6, is a very new one. It's contraction. Okay, let's move ahead. In this lesson you have come across the expressions like the following. So when we were reading the lesson of the shooting test, the Dronacharya, Kaurava and Pandava, and the test that was conducted between all of them by Dronacharya, we were able to see few words like this. Well, commence soon. But what's the test about? So what's, well, don't, wasn't. So all these words are the short form of well, what's, do not, wasn't. Okay. So these are called contraction. In this sentences, the words in the bold type are contraction. We will, what is, do not, was not. So all these words that are being used in the dark and underlined, they are the short form of these words. We will, what is, do not, was not. We generally use contraction in speech. Study the contraction of the words, other words given below. So they have given the short form of the other words in this. I am is written I am. We would is written like we and did. They have, so it has been written like this. I will, you are, your. Let us, let's. He is, his. Will not, won't. Does not, don't. Okay. So these are the contractions. Now write the following sentence using the contraction. What is your father? So see, what is your father? For this I will be sending you the PDF. Now for activity 7, they want us to put an appropriate punctuation mark and capital letters. For the same also I will be sending you the PDF. Activity 8, complete the following story. This is an incomplete story where the dialogues are been missing. So they want us to complete the story. This is a picture story, but we have in an incomplete conversation. Read it carefully and supply the missing parts. So I will send you the PDF for the same. This is the story of a fox and stork. Activity 9, fill in the blanks selecting appropriate words from the box. So I will read it and I will be sending you the PDF. Ankita liked to visit her grandma's house. She often found many old toys and other things there. One day she found an old box in the attic. She found some old dolls in one box. She also found a rag doll with only one button eye. The doll had painted nose and a smiling face. Her dress had pretty little flowers all over it. So I will be sending you the PDF. Imagine you are, activity 10, imagine you are a spectator where Guru Drona conducted the shooting test. Write a brief story describing what you saw. So I give this to you as an homework. We will be discussing it because as a spectator you have to write what you have seen, and we will be discussing this in an interactive session. I will not give you anything ready-made in this because you have to write it on your own. If you are in place of Guru Drona, what you all have seen. So we will only be discussing it. I will not give this as a written form to you. You have to start writing on your own. Okay, and the same we will discuss in the interactive session. So over here we complete our chapter 9, the shooting test. Thank you.